The account is ready to use. The profile is now complete. Identity verification can be done online or in person. Old records are now linked to the new MyIntealth account. And select Don't Have an Account. Welcome. This video will show how to use MyIntealth step by step. It's useful for USMLE, ECFMG certification, EPIC applications, and more. Let's get started. To create a new MyIntealth account, go to www.myintealth.app and open the applicant portal. Click Access MyIntealth and then Don't Have a MyIntealth account? Enter an email, click Send Verification Code, then check the inbox. Copy the code, paste it back, and click Verify Code. Next, enter personal details exactly as they appear on the passport. Create a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols. Click Create Account and accept the terms and conditions. The account is ready to use. For those with an existing ECFMG account, log in, go to Access MyIntealth, and select Don't Have an Account. Enter the email linked to the old account. Enter the verification code, create a new password, accept terms and conditions, and update the current address. Old records are now linked to the new MyIntealth account. To complete the applicant profile, click Begin Application for the desired service, such as USMLE or EPIC. Enter personal information, upload a passport and photo, and add medical school information. Include medical license information if available. Review all details carefully, complete declarations, pay any required fees, and save the case number. The profile is now complete. Identity verification can be done online or in person. To notarize your identity form, you have two options. Option A. Online with Notary Cam. Check the status for pending action. Notarize identity form, review it, release it to Notary Cam, join the video call, show the passport, and follow instructions. The notary submits the form. Option B. In-person notarization. Download the form, visit a licensed notary, get it notarized, upload it, and submit. If documents are rejected, the status will show pending action, resubmit identification documents. Read the reason carefully, upload clear and correct documents, save, and submit again. The status will then update to resubmitted for review. Each application or request is treated as a case. Click My Cases to find the case number. Check the status regularly. If documents are rejected, resubmit them. Track the case until it is approved. Some important tips. Use the same email for all communications. Upload clear, professional documents. Keep copies of all documents and emails. Ensure the name and date of birth match the passport. Note the case number for reference. Use a reliable internet connection when using Notary Cam. Here's a quick summary of the process. Step 1. Create or claim your account. Step 2. Complete your applicant profile. Step 3. Verify your identity, either online through Notary Cam or in person. Step 4. Fix any rejected documents before moving forward. Step 5. Track all your applications and cases in one place. Tip. Always be accurate, keep your documents clear, and don't forget to note your case numbers.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope that video provided valuable insights for your journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And check out our website for details on how we can guide you to a successful match.